Today we will see examples related to frequency polygon. Nitin started the business of publishing books. Production of books in the first few days of business is as follows. Represent the business progress as a frequency polygon without the help of histogram. We need class marks to create a frequency polygon independently. We know that the midpoint of class interval is called a class mark. Can you tell how we find the class marks? Think. Absolutely right. To find the class mark of a class interval, we divide the sum of upper limit and the lower limit of class interval by 2. Like, class mark of class interval 0 to 6 is 3. Similarly, find the class mark of all the class intervals. Now, we will represent class intervals on x-axis, means days, and frequency on y-axis, means number of books. For this, we have to choose the appropriate scale on each axis. We can take 1 unit is equal to 6 days on the x-axis and 1 unit is equal to 240 books on the y-axis. We will then denote the class mark and their frequency of all the class intervals from the points B 3 and 240, C 9 and 600, D 15 and 960, E 21 and 960, and F 27 and 1080 respectively. After this, we will connect all the points to complete the frequency polygon. We will take an imaginary class interval -6 to 0 before class interval 0 to 6, for which we will extend the x-axis in negative direction. And the class mark of this class interval will be -3. Since books have not been produced in this imaginary class interval, the frequency of this class interval can be taken as 0. Now, we will represent point P on the coordinates -3, 0 and connect point P with point B by line segment. This line segment intersects the y-axis at a point, which we will call point A. Similarly, suppose that even after the class interval 24 to 30, the class interval with 0 frequency is 30 to 36, whose class mark is 33, which we will represent as G of 33 and 0 on x-axis. Now, we will connect point F and point G by line segment. Sometimes, imaginary class intervals do not exist, as the number of days here cannot be less than 0. Therefore, the class interval -6 to 0 does not exist. In such cases, we extend only that much part of line segment which is on the right of the y-axis, like here, we will draw AB and ignore PA. Then, we will connect y-axis and intersection point of this line segment to origin O. Like here, we connect A with O. In this way, we get frequency polygon OABCDEFG. By looking at this frequency polygon, we can get various information like the production of books increased till the 15th day, then remained steady till 21st day, then increased till 27th day and then decreased. Can you find out what rate the production of books increased from 7th day to 15th day? Do discuss it with your friends and find out the answer. So today we saw an example related to frequency polygons. In the next video, we will see another interesting example.